Happy Father's Day. When Father's Day came around last year, I received a gift that was useful for the entire year. My two sons saw that I was overdoing it physically and developed some pain in my knee, shoulder, and lower back. So rather than give me some electronic gadget, an item of clothing, or another gardening tool, they got me something to relieve my painful knee, shoulder, and lower back. As soon as I got it, I rubbed some on my knee, shoulder, and asked my wife to apply it to my lower back. In 30 minutes, I had no more discomfort in all three areas: knee, shoulder, lower back. I put together this short video to let you know that you can get some of this for free for your father on this Father's Day. So the tube is a little bit larger than the pen, and it lasts me about 1 year. If I have pain in the locations that I mentioned earlier, I'll take 3 of these twice a day, and I'll get relief quite quickly, and it will be sustainable. And 1 bottle of these also lasts me well over a month. In the description section of this video, you will find the links that explain how to get this pain relief free for your father for Father's Day this year. If you have any questions about how I use this, ask them in the comment section of this video. Happy Father's Day to all you dads, grandpas, and great-grandpas too.